You want to learn how to add multiple pins on Google Map. In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So first, head over to google.com/maps, and inside here, you need to click on this saved icon. You'll find this maps, click on it, and then below it, it will say create and manage maps in My Maps. Click on open My Maps. It's going to open a new page with create a new map. Let's click it and create here. Now this untitled layer, I'm going to click it and edit the layer name. Now once you're done, click on this add marker over here. Click on this edit marker and it will have this crosshair type icon on your cursor. Now click anywhere where you want that first marker to be. Let's say I add it here. Now you can name it something else from point 1. I'll just simply name it the alphabet A and save. You can also change the style color. So if I click on this and change it to orange, it's going to change the map icon to orange. Now once you're done, click on this add marker again and click somewhere else. And it's going to create another point marker. I'm going to just change it to something else, alphabet B here, and save it. Again, add marker, add another one somewhere and make it C this time and save it. I'm going to change the color of this one to purple. Now, once you're done adding pins on the Google map, click on this untitled map, change the map title. It's going to name it test map and click on save. Now, once you're done here, go back to Google Maps and click on reload this page. Now, inside this maps under saved, you will have this test map. If you click it, it will give you all the markers on your Google Maps that you made inside My Maps. So this is how you can add multiple marker pins on Google Maps. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.